Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 9G Billing. So project description is in this project you will assist to the sale manager to create a macro that enter footer information on the chart sheets. You will also create the several checkbox indicates manager approval on a sale bonus. So if you want to complete MylTLab courses Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. Excel 9G billings. We move to the main project step. Step number one. So step number one is open the Excel student Excel 9G billing downloaded with this project and save the file in your Excel. So I have already downloaded the Excel file Excel 9G billing. So question number one is complete. We move to the question number two. So question number two is display the mortgage chart sheets, record a macro name and chart setups, and then in the shortcut key box type a J and store the macro in this book as the description. Type the create a footers in the chart sheets and then click OK to begin the recording the macro. So on the display the mortgage chart worksheets. So go to the Excel worksheets and display the go to the mortgage chart worksheets and record a macro and name the chart setup and then shortcut key box type a J store the macro in this box. So copy the macro name, record the macro name is chart setups. So go to the developer tabs and go to the code groups and click the record macro. So macro name is chart setups and next is and then in the shortcut key box type a J store the macro in this workbox and then in the shortcut key box type a J and store the macro in this workbox. So shortcut key is control J and store the macro in this workbook. So store macro in this workbook, personal macro workbook and new workbook and this workbook. And next is as the description type the create a footer in the chart sheet. So copy the description, and go to the Excel worksheet and select the description box and paste the description is create a footer in a chart sheets. So next is and then click OK, begin record the macro and then click OK. So start the macro and next is so question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is on the page layout tabs click the margins and then click the custom margin, display the header footer tabs and then insert the custom footer on the mortgage chart sheets that include the file name in the left section and the sheet name in the right section and then stop recording macro on the page layout tabs. So go to the Excel worksheets and go to the page layout tabs and next is click a margin and then click the custom margin and display the header and footer tabs and then insert the custom footer on the mortgage chart sheets that include the file name in the left section and sheet name code in the right section and then stop the recording macro. So click the margins. So go to the margin and click the custom margins, and display the header and footer tabs and then insert the custom footers on the multi chart sheet include the file name in the left section. So go to the header and footer groups and click the custom headers and then click uh, header and footer and then insert the custom footer and then insert the click the custom footers, insert the custom footer and then custom footer on the multi chart sheets include the file name left section. Insert the file name on the left section and next is sheet name code in the right section. Sheet name code is the right section. Insert the sheet name code in the right section and next is and then stop the recording macro and click OK and again OK and then stop the recording macro and then stop the recording macro. So go to the developer tab and go to the code groups and click the stop a recording macro. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is display the macro dialog box and added the macro codes. Click after the apostrophe in the lines below the second comments. Create the footer. In the chart sheets, press spacebar and then type the insert a file name and sheet. Display the macro dialog box and added the macro codes. Click the after in the line below the second comment. Create a footer in the chart sheet and press spacebar and then type the insert a file and sheet name. Display the macro dialog box. So go to the developer tabs and go to the code groups. Click the macro. Click the macro and added the macro code. Click the afters in the line below seconds comment and create the footer in the chart sheet and press spacebar. So click the chart setups and click the edit and after below the second comments create the footer in the chart sheet, press spacebar. So create a footer in the chart sheet and press the spacebar and then type the insert a file name and sheet name. So copy the title, insert file name and sheet name and paste the insert a file name and sheet name code. So question number 4 is complete. We can move to question number 5. So question number 5 is close and return to Microsoft Excel, display the construction chart sheets and then run the macro using the shortcut key. View the print preview to verify that the footer was inserted. Close the return the Microsoft Excel. So close the Microsoft Visual Basic for application and return the Excel worksheets and display the construction chart sheets. Display the construction chart sheets and then run the macro using the shortcut key. View to print preview and verify the footer was inserted. Print preview and verify the footer was perfect and click the footer for print preview and click OK. The print preview and added the footers. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is display the summary sheet. Insert the three active X checkbox. Control position at in the cell B10, B12 and B14 and assign the following property name, caption, and display the summary worksheets. So display the summary worksheets and insert the three active checkbox. Control the position B10, B12 and B14. Assign the following property name and caption. So select the B10, B10 and insert the three active X checkbox. Insert the three active checkbox. So go to the developer tabs and go to the control groups and click the inserts and insert three active checkbox. Insert the three active checkbox. Insert the three active checkbox. Combo box and list box, text box and scroll bars and spin buttons, option button and labels, image ActiveX and toggle button, and next is more control. So insert the three active X checkbox. Three active X checkbox. Insert the three active X checkbox in B10, B10 and B12 and B14. B10 and B12, B12 and B14, B14. So property name and caption is checkbox 1 is billing and caption is so the checkbox 1 is so select the checkbox 1, right clicks and click the mm, click um, property. So right clicks and click the property. So open the property dialog box. So open the property dialog box and property 1, checkbox 1 is name is caption, name is billing. So copy the name and billing, name is billing and caption is billing verify. Caption is billing verify. Caption is billing verify. Next is second checkbox. Checkbox 2 is name is so select the checkbox 2 name is contact, and caption is contact updated. Caption is caption. So caption name box is contact updated. Next is name caption. Sorry, checkbox 3 is name is manager. So select the checkbox 3. Name is manager, and caption is manager assigned. Caption is manager assigned. So caption is manager assigned. So question number 6 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.